Okay.
Okay. This is a rainforest. Andrew, this is what you're missing. A bunch of rain and it's foresty.
We didn't realize it would actually be raining in the rainforest. Or at least Deb and I didn't.
Nick realized it, but not us.
Yeah.
Geniuses.
Yeah. We weren't exactly thinking ahead on that front. But yeah, since pictures don't really put this into words that well, I think videotape does it rather well.
This is our lovely drive through the rainforest
Yes.
instead of hiking.
We're driving through the Hoh Rainforest. Hoh! Rainforest in the Olympic National Park in Washington, right outside of Forks, aka Cullen territory.
Holy crap!
Oh.
Pictures for this.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, it's going down.
It's pouring. I don't think we're gonna be able to hike with this, people.
I'm pretty sure
Oh, it's so
we
pretty.
could, but it would be miserable.
It's so pretty. Baby.
Hi.
Hello. So yeah, this is it. It's beautiful, but it's rainy and wet. We just can't do it.